Are you planning a cross-country move from Jersey City, New Jersey? Look no further than Ample Moving, your dedicated partner in making long-distance relocations seamless, stress-free, and affordable. Why choose Ample Moving? Experienced and reliable. At Ample Moving, we understand the challenges of moving across the country. With years of experience, our team of professionals is adept at handling all your moving needs, ensuring your belongings are safely transported to your new home. Customized moving solutions. We know that every move is unique. That's why we offer tailored services to fit your specific requirements. Whether you're moving a one-bedroom apartment or a large family home, our flexible packages are designed to meet your needs and budget. State-of-the-art equipment. Our fleet of modern, fully equipped moving trucks ensures that your items are transported safely and efficiently. We use the latest packing materials and techniques to protect your valuables, from delicate antiques to heavy furniture. Comprehensive services. Ample Moving offers a full range of services including professional packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking. Our end-to-end service means you can relax, knowing that every aspect of your move is in expert hands. Transparent pricing. We believe in honest, upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Our competitive rates are designed to give you the best value for your money, providing quality service at an affordable price. Licensed and insured. As a fully licensed and insured moving company, we provide peace of mind that your belongings are protected every step of the way. Exceptional customer service. Our dedicated customer support team is here to assist you throughout your moving journey. We pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction and are always ready to answer any questions you may have. Make your move with Ample Moving. Ready to start your cross-country adventure from Jersey City, New Jersey? Contact Ample Moving today for a free, no-obligation quote. Call us at 1-201-721-5777 or visit our website at https://amplemoving.com to learn more about our services and how we can help make your move a success. Let Ample Moving take the stress out of your cross-country relocation. We're more than just a moving company. We're your moving partner.